Today I'm taking a look at the SK 18-piece SAE and metric long ball and hex key set in black. So it does have a tray, so if you want to put this in your toolbox and have it neatly organized, we got that as an option. These are ball ends, so if you need to insert at an angle, you can do that with these. They do have a flat end on the high torque side. We can see these are labeled, and those are nice and raised, so you don't have to worry about those numbers rubbing off. This is the SAE set. We got a 1/16, and that goes up to a 3/8. It is kind of nice having the style that can unfold like that, though most of the time whenever I hold an Allen pack, I'm going to keep it kind of in this configuration. We do also have a tether port here, so if you need to make sure these aren't going to drop off, if you're going to be climbing up a ladder or something like that, we can use that. Can't see that is labeled 1/4, so this is S2 tool steel, and we are reading 0.25, so that is exactly 1/4 of an inch, so you can actually use this as a way to measure standoff, anything like that. So if you need to gauge something 1/4 inch apart, we can just slide this guy in there and we know it will be exactly 1/4 inch. For our metric set, it goes all the way down to a 1.5 millimeter, and that unfolds up to a 10 millimeter, and we can see that that is exactly 10 millimeters. So yeah, great set, beautiful tolerances, feels very heavy duty. Overall, I'm very happy with that.